Metro High School in Cedar Rapids, Iowa, and we are the alternative high school for the Cedar Rapids School District. The greenhouse is kind of an extension of all the STEM education that we're doing. There's a history of agriculture at Metro High School where from 1974 there used to be a farm. And we really wanted to reintroduce that idea and concept because a lot of our students really don't know where their food comes from other than the Hy-Vee. But understanding the process of, especially here in Iowa, of agriculture and where our natural resources are based just seemed like a natural progression of maybe what we should do and be learning about.
This winter, the STEAM Academy had an area in the Nubo City Market where we sold lots of products, but the biggest one was our salsa that we got the tomatoes that we grew here.
Tomatoes and peppers from last year that we used, and then we had some onions that we grew.
We tried different recipes for what we wanted to use, and I think it turned out great.